For a remote control car, what we do is we would adapt the remote. You take the batteries, make sure the batteries are in. Take out your screws. The inside of it. Take your board out. And on this remote control, here's the forward button. So here's either side of the circuit that we're going to be attaching our wires in parallel. When you close it up, you'll see there's hot glue on here, and they've drilled or filed a notch so that the wires do not pinch. And then close it back up and attach the wire, or attach the jack.